Our 3D printing fabrication room is in our North Durham clinic. We have several machines that run around the clock, and our clinical team is constantly sending the designs to these printers. We tend to use a lot of the flexible materials that allow us to interface with the human body in a way that it wants to be. And I think it's our strong suit in dialing in how to work with the flexibles that do interface well with the body. We take a lot of pride in that. We do it all on site. We're a really strong team. It's a room that is constantly changing, and a quarter doesn't go by that we don't introduce a new filament or a new printer. We're, again, pushing the envelope constantly in that room, and that's what we love. We love pushing the envelope, and that room lets us do it.